When adjusting a chainsaw chain, what you tend to do is make sure that you can move it, that and the guide bar, and it not be too tight. Wear gloves. Those of a nervous disposition, look away now. They let me bring this back from the hospital, So I got a bandage and some stitches, and a leaflet on wound care. And even though we're in COVID and all the rest of it, they were absolutely marvellous. They were lovely. But this is now, oh look, it's got dirty already. This is now a bit of a throbber, and not in the good way. So, wear gloves. I should have known better. I've been doing this for 20 years. I should have known better. I'm really annoyed with myself. But never mind. I don't know how much money I could have sold this bloke, and you saw on the amount of money I spent on it. Never mind.